Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I am finally back to doing plan with me's. Well, at least I hope that this will be a continuous thing from now on, but we'll see. Here I'm opening up my planner. This is my KKK A5 bubblegum pink planner that I really just use for memory spreads and past spreads right now. And the inserts I'm using are some printables from Hello Petite paper I got quite a while ago, as well as the kit is also Hello Petite paper that I found laying around in my stash. It's this beautiful like cacti and succulent themed one, and this particular week really this kit really fit because I did do some repotting. Can you say that? Like I replanted some plants. No, I don't know the correct terms. At least not in English. Either way, it's a beautiful kit, and I also thought the colors worked quite well for that in between stage of summer and fall, because this week that I will be planning is a memory spread from the first week of September. So let's get into it. Here we go. So first I am putting down the day covers, and these are from Wendy Prints, and I realized that I had to white out the existing days of the week, or otherwise they would see through, and you don't want that. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm whiting out all of the days. And yeah, these day covers I did get, I think it was like the last sticker order I placed before the new year and before my year without stickers started. But I was kind of running out of pretty sticker day covers. That was before Simply Gilded came out with her washi day covers, which I'm loving. Either way, I'm putting down some because I wanted, this is a memory spread, so I have to know in the future that this was from September of 2020. So I used a Happy Scrappy sticker and wrote 2020. And then I'm putting down, I had the exact perfect amount of date dots from Hello Petite paper that I used previously. And they were leftovers, but the amount of date dots left were perfect for this week, which is very satisfying. And then, as you can see, I am putting down headers, and these are Washi Headers from Simply Gilded. And I'm already starting to put down full boxes because I realized that I kind of have to map out where I want them to be before I know where to place the rest of the stickers, kind of. And then I placed a sticker and I kind of regretted it, and you know how it goes. These are actually Happy Planner sized boxes. This is one of the very first sticker kits I ever got from Hello Petite paper. So back then I didn't have an Erin Condren sized planner, and I wanted the full boxes to be bigger, so I decided, oh, let's just get, you know, Happy Planner sizes because they're longer, but the same width. But I'm kind of regretting that now because these inserts are supposed to be for Erin Condren sized, and it's a little difficult. And you can see my head peeping out, or yeah, from time to time. But either way, it's fun to be planning in this big format again. I have not done an A5 spread in a long time. And as you can see, I'm continuing to put down the washi headers. I'm loving this like bow and heart pattern. These are just simple gold ones. They look like stickers, but they're washi, and it's perfect. It's stickers on a roll, pretty much. I love that Simply Gilded has started making these. I think this exact one was from the March or May kit from 2020. And then I wanted to add this gorgeous washi as a header too, but I had to white out the line. And then I have gotten myself this pair of, is it called X-Acto knife? I'm not sure. Quite recently. Really glad to have this tool in my life. It does make some things a little bit, you know, easier sometimes. And yeah, I love this washi. It's from Love Cynthia. It's one of the very first washis I ever got, and I love the scallop pattern, and it kind of really, I thought it really fit this kit, so that's why I wanted to use it. But yeah, so it's a little bit of a scattered spread. I like to put full boxes a little bit here and there, not having them all next to each other. I mean, I do like to mix it up too, so sometime I might do that. I also was one full box short in the way I wanted things to go, so I placed one of these checklist boxes to kind of fill up that space. But I realized that it was a little too big because I wanted to put something else. And I'm kind of realizing here that the boxes are a little too long because I wanted to add the pretty headers, and yeah, it's a little bit difficult. But I'm, in this case, very glad to have this knife. I'm also very scared that I will cut myself. I'm watching it back, seeing myself use the knife. I'm like, oh my gosh, Hannah, be careful, please. I'm placing the weekend banner. I did apparently purchase the deco sheet extra add-on with this kit, which I'm glad, because I did have an extra weekend banner that was previously used otherwise. And now I'm starting to put down actual things that happened this week. So first I place a little quarter box with a Coffee Monsters Co. little emoji. And on here I'm writing, it's in Swedish, but my hard drive broke in my main computer. So for about a week I couldn't work, which, at least not on that computer, but that's like my editing computer, and since I do a lot of YouTubing and stuff, it was quite difficult. So that Monday I spent some time also with help from my dad to fix it. And then I have a gorgeous peachy sticker I placed with a, let's see, half box, because I did some brainstorming, and then I have another peachy sticker down there at the very bottom box, and I placed a half box on the opposite side, which I usually don't, but I tried this new thing I've seen some people doing, because I also went grocery shopping that day, and I have a lot of gorgeous peachy character stickers. I kind of decided to stick to peachy and the Coffee Monsters Co. emojis in this spread. I like to kind of keep to the same shops to have some sort of theme. I also, now we're jumping to Tuesday. Tuesday is my laundry day. In Swedish, I call it tvätttisdag. It doesn't sound as good in English, but it's basically, I could do like wash Wednesday. That would kind of be a thing, but it kind of sounds like that, but in Swedish, tvätttisdag just sounds good. And I'm just putting down the things that I washed that day. And also the pen I'm using is a Muji 0.38 gel pen, I believe. Then in the middle box here on Tuesday, I am placing another little peachy. Peachy is from Miss Caramel, by the way. Love her style. And I do like to place stickers vertical this way. If you like white space, this is a good idea. I don't know who came up with it, but I'm just copying other ideas I've seen. I did a little project plan for something we're doing in our house over here. And now we're on Wednesday. I'm placing a half box, and let's see, it's a foiled Coffee Monsters emoji. And let's see, what am I writing? Oh yeah, I wrote a resume this day. I've kind of been a little bit of job hunting lately, which is kind of exciting, also a little bit scary. And also this gorgeous green washi is from Paka Post. Got it a long time ago. Then I have also here some foiled stickers from Happy Daya or Happy Daya, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I layered it with a little flag from the kit because me and my family were invited to some neighbors that afternoon, so that was exciting. And let's see, what am I doing now? Most of these stickers I got years ago, so I'm not sure if they're still available. I'm sorry if they're not. I will link the shops below as always, so you can check it out. And then I layered another little peachy because I was cooking and yeah, I wanted to mark that because I don't cook every day. I do kind of big batches whenever I cook, and then I freeze them to have my little meal boxes. Now we're on to the second page already. Oh my gosh. It did not go this fast when I planned. I planned for like an hour, and this spread is getting done real fast, at least when it's ×4 fast forward. um, as you can see, I keep to that layering look and this newer style of planning, of putting the boxes vertically instead of horizontally. And let's see, on Thursday, I also was writing a resume. Maybe it was the same resume, I'm not entirely sure. And then at the bottom box there, I'm layering, as you can see, a little kind of I'm done Coffee Monsters Co. Emoji or emoji head, because I was still working with a hard drive in my computer. I think we put in the new one, and we had to reinstall all the programs and Windows, and you know, when a hard drive breaks, that is like your worst nightmare. As a creative person on, I mean, most of my things are backed up through, most of the things are on the cloud. So, but still, it's just annoying to have to reinstall everything. So yeah, on Friday already. Oh my gosh. I did some design work for my business, and that was fun because I haven't done much designing in a while because of many reasons. I'm not getting into that right now. And as you can see, I went back to Tuesday because apparently I wasn't happy with what I was doing. I thought it was maybe too busy, I'm not sure. And I'm putting down some meeting sticker layered with that kind of flag that I originally had on Tuesday. Maybe I was out of flags and I needed another one. I kind of used up a lot of this kit this time, which was good. We had a dinner meeting, so that's what I wrote down there. And we discussed that project plan that I was previously planning earlier in the week. And yeah, let's see. And yeah, as you can see, Saturday I have very limited space because the full box takes up all this place. But with my family, we have USA or America dinner themes once a week on the weekends. So that's what I marked on Saturday. On Sunday, I had to send an email to a friend. I had a deadline, and then I placed, because on Sunday I also did the repotting and planting the plants that I was speaking of earlier. So I marked that by adding more of those deco stickers with the plants, because it was I did repot some succulents and cacti, so that was very fitting, I thought. And I also replaced my handwriting with a gorgeous foiled sticker instead with the grocery shopping. And now I'm deciding what bottom washi I should use. I decided on this one. This is an old one from Michael's that I got a long time ago, but I love it because it goes with a lot, especially now when it was kind of plant, flower themed. I really wanted to use something that worked with that. And I love that there's space for a little bit of washi at the bottom here. Sadly, the kit bottom washi was too big, and I didn't want to cut it as much as I would have needed to because it was too pretty. So I'll save that for another time. And that is the finished spread already. Oh my gosh, I feel like that went by so fast compared to how long it took me to actually finish this freaking spread. Either way, here's some close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more plan with me's. I want to get into a routine to do them more and get more comfortable with it. I take a lot of time planning, so that's easier. That's why it's easier for me to do voiceover and fast forward than actually talking while planning. But yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.